We got our worms. We noticed that there's puncture holes. I think it's so the worms stay healthy.
Okay, so I opened up the bag, and there's supposed to be a count of 600 worms in here. And wow, they're fresh. Take a look at this.
Whoa. So many worms.
These are supposed to be night crawlers.
What kind are they?
Red, super red European night crawlers.
Tickles. There's also instructions and information. It says do not let the box sit in direct sunlight. Open the bag immediately upon arrival and pour half a cup of water on your worms to begin the rehydration process. Well, they are going to do a wonderful job composting our soil. And their castings are very healthy for our soil as well. So adding red wigglers and European night crawlers to your lawn, garden, or compost pile is one of the smartest and most environmentally friendly things you'll ever do. Why? Because their castings are one of nature's finest plant nutrients. 7 times richer in phosphates, 5 times richer in nitrogen, and 11 times richer in potash than the average lawn soil. On average, each worm will produce their body weight in castings every day. Wow. And it also has some frequently asked questions, so definitely read this information. So thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.